myself Chaya Harpal. I'm a student of class 12th A of Kendriya Vidyalaya No.1 Raipur, Chhattisgarh. It was very great to be here, and I like the way they treat us and I learned many things new in this session, and thank you to Kalinga University for this session. I learned very much new things. I learned about programming and the importance of AI, and I also learned very various things in this session. And it was very great to be here. And I learned the faculty of Kalinga University. They were very friendly to us, and they also taught us about how exploring new fields and how to be attentive towards our career and how to build a best career for ourselves. And thank you for Kalinga University.